To make a copy of a worksheet, all you need to do is come down to the bottom left corner and right-click with the mouse on the name of the sheet you want to copy, and then choose Move or Copy from the pop-up menu. In the window that pops up, click on the box for Create a Copy, and then choose where you want the new sheet to appear. If you want it to appear before one of your existing sheets, just select that sheet. Or if you want it to appear to the right of all your existing worksheets, choose Move to End. Once you've made your choice, click OK, and your new worksheet will appear. A quicker way to make a copy of a worksheet is to hold down the Control key, left-click the mouse and hold the mouse button down, and then move off the Worksheet tab, and then let go of the mouse button and the Control key. And as you can see, we've just made a copy of that worksheet. So that's two ways that you can quickly and easily make copies of worksheets in Excel.